Hey, this is Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. If you're trying to find other experienced investors to work with, where do you locate them? Let's say you're an agent, real estate agent, and you want to work with experienced investors, or more importantly, you're a wholesaler and you want to sell some of your deals to these buyers. Maybe you want to learn from experienced investors. Where do you go? Well, they hang out at meetup groups, real estate investment association groups. Take a look at We Buy Houses signs or cars that say We Buy Houses signs or properties that are under construction and pop in on there and try to find them that way. There's a lot of different ways to get in touch with experienced investors. If you have the budget to do direct mail, hey, a little quick tip is anyone who's purchased more than 2 or 3 properties over the last 12 months, chances are they're experienced investors because they're out there actively buying properties over and over and over. There's a lot of different resources that you can get from experienced investors. You can utilize them for their services. You can learn from them. You can buy, sell from them. So if you need to reach out to them, these are a few quick tips. Hopefully you found this helpful. Like, comment, share, subscribe.